What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with Kay. I'm Kay, and today we're going to discuss the importance of land investing and my top 5 reasons you should buy land ASAP. Let's go! Reason number 1. Land avoids the 3 T's most landlords despise. With raw land, there are no tenants, no termites, and no toilets. Purchasing land allows you to build your net worth and can be used in so many different ways. Most of us know of land as a means to build a home, but we often neglect how many ways we can use it. Whether you are buying land to create an RV park, parking lot, short-term rental site, or to build a house, land provides options. And in today's market, that's just what we need to make a money move. Reason number 2, it's way cheaper, most of the time at least, to get into the real estate game. I have heard of people purchasing land all across the country for as little as $500. That's right, I said it, $500, yes. I know firsthand that there are still deals out there available because just recently, my family and I purchased an acre lot for about $4,000 in North Carolina. Now, I will admit here that I was a wholesaler and know how to find these deals firsthand, but I'm telling you, it's not as hard as you may think. We actually purchased the land strategically in an opportunity zone, which I will provide how we were able to do that so cheaply in a later video. Be sure to comment below if that is something that you will be interested in watching, and I'll be sure to make that video. With the real estate market going crazy as of late, land provides you an opportunity to get in the game from the sidelines. So with that, I say put me in, coach. Reason number 3. Most wealthy people invest in land. Now, I'm not the person that goes and copies what others do. However, I do see a trend with the wealthy, and I personally want in. So how much land do the wealthy buy, you may ask? At the time of this recording, Bill Gates leads everyone in the amount of farmland he owns. He owns roughly 269,000 acres. He's crushing it. He's killing the game. Kanye also is in the game, and he owns about 4,500 acres in Wyoming. So you have to question it. Why are so many people buying land? Land is power, and land is lucrative. And more importantly, land is an asset. Land is also a limited resource in which will not be reproduced. Before I give you the last 2 reasons as to why you should buy land, take the time, go ahead and subscribe, push the like button, turn on the notifications, and share this video so I can get out to a wider audience, all right? Reason number 4, land is low competition. Quite simply, most real estate investors overlook land as an investment. To be honest, I'm in that same boat. As a wholesaler, I only closed on 1 land deal, and that was because I got it under contract for about $800. Just like with owning a rundown home, owners of land still want out of ownership, and that's where you come in. They are essentially paying taxes for a property that they may not have an emotional connection to. Because there is no property on the land, most owners are eager, and I do mean eager, to get rid of the land they don't live in. Having investors avoid land is better off for you, so I say go forth and purchase land. Reason number 5. As mentioned earlier, land provides a multitude of options. Whether you create a tree farm, lease the land, or use it for recreational purposes, land provides versatility. In fact, depending on where you live, growing bamboo is extremely profitable. Bamboo sells for roughly $30 each. 2,400 bamboo can fit on a 1/4 of an acre block. Selling that amount of bamboo would yield you about $72,000. That's crazy. There are literally thousands of products made of bamboo, so it's a great way to utilize your land purchase. Here's a super cool fact I learned recently. Remember that 1 acre lot we purchased for $4,000? We are in the process of building a home on it using a VA loan. My husband retired from the military after serving 20 years in the Army, and we are fortunate enough to have access to the VA loan. If you are not familiar with the VA loan, it's a loan some may argue is the best home loan out there because we don't have a down payment. Now, anyone who has purchased a home with their VA will tell you that although there is not a down payment required, you still need to have some money set aside for an inspection, earnest money, and other expenses we didn't factor in when we bought our first home. So what's cool about owning land in this situation is when you construct a home on the land you paid for, in cash hopefully, the equity of the land can be used as a down payment. I mean, you really can't get any better than that. According to the tax assessors, our land is appraised right at $14,500. We will of course get another appraisal as the market has changed, but knowing that we can lower the cost of our home and monthly mortgage payments just because we purchased land is music to our ears. Well, that's it guys. I hope you found value in this video and you decide to purchase some land. I'll catch you on the next video. Stay blessed.